3D printing. Print what you need. This is what we usually have in mind when we talk about printing. We call this 2D printing. But Chuck Hull wanted to print objects with width, length and height. Therefore, he invented and developed the 3D printing. 3D printing involves adding materials to the object, layer by layer. To illustrate this idea, let's make a simple analogy. Inside a cave, the dripping water creates layers of mineral deposits, which accumulate to form stalagmites and stalactites. Dripping water represents 3D printing material. The mineral deposit layers, which accumulate, constitute the 3D printing process. Stalagmites and stalactites represent 3D objects. To create a 3D design, you need to concretize your idea with computer-aided design (CAD) and also modeling and animation software. There are both paid and free solutions. What materials are used for 3D printing? It depends on the printer. The most common materials are rubber, plastic, paper, heavy metals, ceramics, organic materials, and foodstuffs. What are the benefits of 3D printing? It allows customization by offering great experience design freedom. It integrates important and complex functionalities. It allows to reach a great efficiency, by offering the possibility to produce at lower cost, less time and labor. Finally, the durability is increased, since it reuses 90% of standard materials. Let's take a look at 3 practical applications of 3D printing, in different industries. Meena Khan was born with a large hole in her heart. A medical team developed an accurate 3D model of her heart using MRI and CT scans. The model was used to create a custom patch and to analyze how surgeons should stitch it into place. International Space Station Commander Barry Wilmore needed a ratchet wrench for his operations. NASA designed the tool and transmitted the file to space, where a 3D printer made the wrench in just 4 hours. ChefJet and ChefJet Pro are the first kitchen-ready 3D printers pastry chefs can use to printing confections in milk chocolate or sugar. 3D printing is already shaking our age-old notions of what can and can't be made. Hod Lipson. Thank you for your attention. Other animations are available on www.abid.ma. Please visit our site.